Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. Before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel, and in this video I am going to explain about the script component usage in SSIS. So the first thing you need to do is that go to the toolbox from control flow area and drag the data flow task first, and double click on the data flow task, and go to the SSIS toolbox now and drag the script component for usage. So here you will be having that one, so drag that one. So it will be asking three options: source, destination, transformation. So for input and output, transformation. For transformation works first. If you want to use it as destination, you can select that one. So right now I am going to use first source, that is script is the source in the data flow and provides data to the output column. So click OK. So we need to edit this one and do something. So before that I want to create two variables and user variables and two parameters. So how to create variables? So click here on the right side top bottom top corner, variables will be visible there. So click on that one. So if you click here, you will be having add new variable. If you want to add more variables, you can click here. If you want to delete that variable, you can click here. So for right now I am going to create a user variable called as result. So result, and the data type is of a string. So this is the output I want to see in the form of a result. So what I am going to do is I am going to create one more user variable, that is a user var. The name of that one is user var, and the data type is of a string, and here I am going to give the value name as user var. So this is the thing, these are the two variables. So this is the output I want to see, and this will be concatenated with the two parameters that I'm going to create now. So click on the parameters. Here also same, you will be having add, delete, etc. So first click on add parameter, and the name of the parameter I am going to give as a parameter package var. Parameter package var. So it is also of string, and the value is package variable, and one more parameter, that name is a project param, and it is also of type string, and the name is that is value is a project parameter. So okay, now come to the data flow stuff. So parameters has been created and variables has been created. Now double click on the script component. So here if you go to the script component, you will be having scripts, inputs and outputs, configuration managers. So click on the scripts. If you go down, so you can see script language. So you can select the script language. So one is the Microsoft Visual C# 2019, another one is the Microsoft Visual Basic 2019. Now I am going to use the Microsoft Visual C# 2019, which we are going to use the code. So here you will be having two types of variables. One is the read only variables and read write variables. Means read only means only you can read that one, but coming to the read write variables, you can write at the output. So that I am going to use as the output is a result. So I am going to click on the three dots in the read write. So select the result, click OK. So now coming to read only, that means the inputs you are going to give. So double click on that one. I need to select three things. One is the user variable. So this is the thing I have selected, and another two were package. One is the package variable and the project param. So see the difference between the user variables and that project parameters. So project parameters always indicated with the dollar symbol, but user variables with the user. So select those things. So click OK. So now go to the inputs and outputs. As I have selected source section in the script component dragging, so that I will be selecting the output by clicking on the plus sign. So you will be getting this one. So click on this one. So add output, and I am going to give it as a output column. if you click on the edit script, once you click on this edit script, so this Visual C Sharp Visual Studio will be opened. So if you go down, so you will be having an option called as public override void post execute. So add your code here, it will be showing. So in that you need to use the variables to show the result. So I am going to use the this keyword from C Sharp. So this dot, so variables, so automatically everything will be shown there. So result, so our variable, so it is going to show the output like this. And after that, this dot variables dot, and the first variable is user where. I am going to concatenate these three variables. So this dot variables dot package parameter package where. So whatever you give the variable name, that will be displayed here, plus this dot variables dot project param. So this is the thing you need to type here, and after that you need to save and close this one, so that once you execute you will be getting the result. So that I am going to show now. So after that click OK. So now if you come out of this data flow and come to the control flow area and execute this one, so executed script task successfully without any error. So if you want to look at that output, so you need to configure some breakpoints. So otherwise you can't see the output. So for that purpose, what I will be doing is that